Hello! Welcome to Traveling Kangaroo. Today we're exploring 3 awesome places you have to see in Europe. Whether you're planning your next trip or just dreaming of traveling, these places will get you excited. We're talking famous landmarks, amazing museums, yummy food, and the exciting energy of these cool cities. I'm so excited to share my love of European travel with you. So, grab your travel notebook, get ready for some serious adventure, and let's dive into our list of the top 3 must-visit places in Europe. Paris. Just saying the name makes you think of cute cafes, big streets, and famous landmarks. Let's start with the most Parisian thing ever, a visit to the Eiffel Tower. This Iron Lady is more than just a picture spot. Going to the top gives you amazing views of the city. Next, we'll walk through the Louvre Museum, home to famous paintings like the Mona Lisa. Spend a morning or even a whole day looking at the art. But Paris is more than just big monuments. To see how Parisians live, get lost in the cute streets of Montmartre. This hilly neighborhood is full of artists and little restaurants. Imagine yourself enjoying a croissant at a sidewalk cafe, the smell of fresh bread all around. As you walk along the Seine River at sunset, the city lights twinkle, making it look magical. And of course, you can't go to Paris without trying the food. From yummy pastries to fancy cheese and tasty wines, Paris is a treat for your taste buds. A walk along the Champs-Élysées, a boat tour on the Seine, or just watching people from a cafe. Everything in Paris is beautiful and romantic. So pack your bags, practice a little French, and get ready to fall in love with Paris. From romantic Paris, we travel south to Rome, a city full of history and grand buildings. Imagine standing in the Colosseum, a huge arena, and hearing the echoes of gladiators and ancient Romans. Our next stop is Vatican City, the smallest country in the world. Step inside St. Peter's Basilica, look at Michelangelo's amazing paintings in the Sistine Chapel, and feel the history and importance all around you. But Rome isn't just about the past, it's a lively city. As you walk through the streets, enjoy the simple things, eating gelato or sipping espresso at a cafe. And of course, you have to try the food. Sit at a table with other travelers and locals, sharing stories and enjoying pasta, sauces, and pizza. Toss a coin in the Trevi Fountain, explore the old ruins, or get lost in the colorful Trastevere neighborhood. Rome is a city full of secrets, inviting you to explore. It's where old history meets modern life. So pack your walking shoes, learn a few Italian words, and get ready to be amazed by the eternal city. Barcelona, a city of art and sunshine. Our European trip now takes us to Barcelona, a city on the coast of Spain known for its cool buildings, fun culture, and sunny weather. Get ready to be amazed by the Sagrada Familia, a famous church. This building is a mix of different styles with tall towers and detailed decorations. Next, we'll visit Park Güell, another cool place. Walk through mosaic paths, sit on colorful benches shaped like lizards, and enjoy great views of the city. You can't go to Barcelona without seeing La Rambla, the city's most famous street. Walk along this street, enjoy the energy, look at the flowers and street performers, and eat tapas at outdoor cafes. Take a swim in the Mediterranean Sea at Barceloneta Beach, explore the Gothic Quarter with its old buildings, or watch a soccer game at Camp Nou. Barcelona is a city that loves its history and celebrates its modern side. So, pack your swimsuit, learn some Spanish, and get ready for the warmth and fun of Barcelona. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel videos. See you in the next adventure. Remember, these 3 cities are just the beginning. Europe is full of amazing places to see. So, start planning your next trip, enjoy exploring new cultures, and make memories that will last forever. Happy travels ahead! Subscribe for more adventures. Subscribe to our channel for more travel adventures. Follow us on social media for daily travel updates. You've been watching Traveling Kangaroo.